Hey everyone, it's Rachel from Sugar Maple Farmhouse, and today we're going to make a white bean salad. So this white bean salad is really easy to make, and it's the perfect summertime main dish or side dish. It's full of fresh vegetables and fresh herbs that you can find in abundance at the grocery store right now, and you can grow them in your garden too. I used canned beans for this recipe, but you can also use dry beans if you like. If you're going to use canned beans, just make sure you drain the aquafaba from the can and rinse the beans. You don't want that kind of flavor in there. When you're making soups or chilies, you leave that in, but for this salad, I like to wash them off. So the only thing we're gonna actually cook for this recipe is the asparagus. And I'm gonna just brush it with a little olive oil, and then I'm gonna salt it with salt and pepper and pop it in the oven at 400 degrees. Okay, now it's ready for the oven. So while the asparagus cooks, we're gonna make the dressing for this salad. And we are gonna combine some extra virgin olive oil, a little lemon juice, some zested lemon, some fresh dill, some thyme, some oregano, a little parsley, and salt and pepper. And then I'm just gonna lightly whisk it. It's not gonna come out like a dressing, like a runny dressing, but it'll coat the salad really well and it'll be really delicious. It's also gonna taste really fresh with all these herbs in it. Okay, now that our asparagus is done, I'm gonna go ahead and combine everything for the salad. I did put the asparagus in the refrigerator for just a few minutes to cool it off once it was done cooking, so it doesn't go in all hot while everything else is cold. So you can go ahead and do that if you like. I'm gonna pop it in now. And if you decide you don't want to use asparagus because you want this to be an easier recipe, you don't want to actually cook anything for it, go ahead and use something like a cucumber. That would be a great substitute. All right, so now I'm going to add some red pepper and some peas, artichokes, which if you're gonna use artichokes, whether it's from a can or from a glass jar, go ahead and rinse them off too, so you don't get a bunch of other flavors in here on top of your dressing flavor. I'm also gonna add some red onions, some capers, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add our dressing that we put together. And now I'm gonna just mix it up and try to not have anything pop out of the bowl. Okay, so to serve this, you can keep it in the bowl or you can put it on a platter. Before serving though, go ahead and add some pine nuts. And then I like to add some goat cheese. You can add whatever kind of cheese you like. If you like feta, go ahead and add feta, but I prefer goat cheese. And then I always like to add a little extra pepper and salt. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for following along today. I hope that you love this recipe and I hope that you will subscribe to our channel so you can follow along with everything we're doing here at Sugar Maple Farmhouse. If you want all the details on the recipe and more information, visit sugarmaplefarmhouse.com where you can find a full printable recipe of the white bean salad. Have a great day, everyone.